industry is a much now a growing industry. So it's interesting for me as a production manager or a new innovation which is happening in seafood.
Definitely moving forward, people will have the awareness, and then more people, more equipment manufacturers will participate in that.
Was a really busy show with people from every part of the industry here and able to talk and combine and understand different technologies.
This exhibition is really fruitful. Customer footfalls is also good.
We found it very interesting. We got so much knowledge. People here are very good, like from all background people are there.